Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 8 mathematics, we will solve exercise 2b. In this exercise, we have to learn how to write the numbers or how to express the number in its standard form. So we will start here. Exercise 2b, right? The first question is here, write each of the following numbers in a standard form. The first number is given here 57.36. Now, for expressing any number in its standard form, we have to put the decimal after the first digit. Now, how many digits the decimal moves towards right? We have to write it in the form of multiple of 10. Suppose 57.36 we can write as 10 to the power 0. Okay. Now, we have to move decimal here. How many after digits? After one digit. 5.736. So the same digit is here, one move here. Here decimal move after one digit. Now we have to add the same power with the exponent of 10. The answer will be 5.736 into 10 to the power 1. That is 5.736. Very simple. Okay. Look one more example of question number first. Question number here 6. 345 into 10 to the power 5. We can also write it 345.0 into 10 to the power 0 into 10 to the power 5. Okay. This number we can also write like this. The value of both the numbers are same. Now we have to move decimal after here 2 digits. We have to move the decimal after here 2 digits. So we are moving decimal after 2 digits. That too we have to add with this exponent into 10 to the power 5. So 3.45 into 10 to the power 2, and this power also we have to add with them. Why? Because if two numbers having same base and they are multiplied, then we add their exponent to 2 plus 5. Therefore the standard form 3.45 is 345 into 10 to the power 5 is 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. In question number 2, write each of the following numbers in usual form. Numbers in usual form. The first is here 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. For writing the numbers in its usual form, we have to check what is the power of 10. Here the power of 10 is 5. So after decimal 5 digits are required. Here only 2 digits are present. So we have to mark here 3 more zeros into 10 to the power 5. Now here the power of 10 is 5. So we have to move the decimal 5 plate towards right side. So 3.74 1 2 3 4 5. So the usual form of 3.74 into 10 to the power 5 is 3,74,000. Look one more example here. Question number 6. 5.17 into 10 to the power 6. Now how many digits are required here? What is the power of 10? 6. So after decimal, here 6 digits are required, but only 2 digits are present here. So we have to mark 4 more zeros here to making the number of digits after decimal 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 10 to the power 6. Now we are putting the decimal after 6 digit. So the usual form of 5.17 into 10 to the power 6 is 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 51 lakhs, 70,000. Okay. Now, question number 3. We have to express the given numbers in standard form. Suppose, in third number question, the distance of Earth from the Earth to the Sun. Distance of from the Earth to the Sun, that is given here 1496, and number of zeros are here 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros. 1496 and 8 zeros. So we can also write it like 14 and it is in meter. So 1496 000 8 times into 10 to the power 0. Okay, now we can also write it decimal 0. Now decimal we have to move how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here you have to write 1 decimal 496 and with 8 zeros into 10 to the power 0 plus 11. There is nothing necessary to write this 0, so we can write it 1 decimal and this all we have to write in meter. 1 decimal 496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. In this way you can solve question number 3. Now our next question is question number 4. So look here. In question number 4, it is given that the mass of earth is that is given here 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and mass of moon is that is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Now what is the total mass of the two? So for adding their mass, first we have to make the both of the numbers in such a way that their exponent will be equal. Now this exponent this number we can also write is 5.97, and for making the equal exponent of 10 here, both of the numbers, we will write here square of 10, because here the power of 10 is 24. For making it 22, we have to move 2 places here. We have to subtract 2 from its exponent, so we can write also it like this. Now when a number will multiply with 10 to the power 2, the decimal moves 2 places here. 597 into 10 to the power 22 remains here. When this number is multiplied with the square of 10, the decimal will be moved 2 places, kg. Now, and here the mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. So sum of their mass is equal to, or their total mass is equal to, the total mass is equal to, we have to add them. So 597, first both having the common number 10 to the power 22, we have to write here in kg also. Now when 597 is added with 7, the result will be 604.35. Now to express in a standard form, we have to put the decimal 2 places this one, 6.04 into 3.25. Now we have to place decimal 2 into left side. Therefore, the exponent here increased by 2. 22 into 24 kg. 6.0435 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Okay. Now moving on next number. Question number 4. Question number 5. Write each of the following number in a standard form. Write each of the following in a standard form. Following numbers in standard form. Now, one thing we have to here memorize, when we are moving the decimal towards left side, we are writing the power in plus. So when we will move the decimal towards right side, we will write the power in minus. Here it is given that first question 0.0006. Now for expressing this number in standard form, we have to keep the decimal after 6. Now how many places we have to keep decimal after? 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. So therefore we have to write the power of 10 to the power minus 4. As many places decimal moves towards right side, that 10 power is that many place, but it is minus. One more example here. Question number 5. 0.0000165. 5 times 0. 5 times 0, 165. Now how many places we have to move decimal here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write the decimal form here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit after. 1 decimal 6, 5. So we have moved decimal after. To keeping the decimal after the first digit, we have to move the decimal after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. So we have to write the power of 1.65 into 10 to the power minus 6. That is the standard form. Okay. In the same way, you have to solve question number 6. Look one more example of question number 7. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. Now here the first question is given here. 2.06 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now for removing this minus sign, both we have to compare. Both are the same question. Here it is given. So when you have to remove this minus sign, you have to put the decimal after how many digits? 4 digits. Similarly, also for removing this minus sign, we have to put the decimal after how many digits? 5 digits. Now after decimal, how many digits possible here? 1 digit. Now we have to, for making it 5, we have to mark 400 also. Okay? Into 10 to the power minus 5. Now we will put the decimal after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 0.0000206. That is the usual form of 2.06 into 10 to the power minus 5. Look one more example here. Question number 7. 4.129 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now how many places we have to move the decimal? 3 places towards left. But after decimal, how many digits are present? 1. So we have to mark 2 zeros here. 129 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now we have to move the decimal here 3 places. So 0.004129. That is the usual form of 4.129 into 10 to the power minus 3. In this way you can solve rest of the questions of question number 7. Okay. Now we have completed exercise 2b. In next my video we will solve exercise 2c, that are the multiple choice question. Okay students, thank you for watching.